I have a question that I would like for everybody to answer. So, do you think it's right or better to go to the hairstylist first and then to the barber, or to the barber first and then to the hairstylist? What is your preference? I'm gonna make a poll on my Instagram and y'all go check it out, man. I want to see the results and I want to see what you think. And also, drop a comment, bro. Before we get started with this video, I need y'all to turn up, hit that subscribe button. I hope y'all love this video. I hope it helps y'all. And as usual, I try to send out my positive message. I wish nothing but the best, success, prosperity. I pray that you always want to be a student to the game. And look, man, y'all just show me some love. Thank y'all, and we're gonna get started with this video. Alright, gang, so look, I got a challenge for y'all, bro. All natural, no enhancements, no dyes, maybe a little bit of pencil. But look, this gonna turn y'all into a better barber, so I hope y'all accept this challenge. Let's get started, man. So I hope y'all having a good day. Hope y'all having a good December. But pretty much this video is gonna be not really a tutorial, but just something that I want to share with y'all. You know what I'm saying? Just dropping content. So he has the braid hairstyle, which it makes it easier for you to cut parted hair already. So to answer the question that I asked you guys earlier, if you already get your hair braided and it's already parted, that is the only way I suggest that it's okay to go to the barber first. You know what I'm saying? So if you kind of already have your hair in place and cut already, yeah, I will go to the barber first. And if not, nah. But another thing too, if you get enhancements, I will also wait. I will go to the hairstylist first. But if you get a natural haircut, no enhancements, no nothing, and your hair is already parted out, I'll go ahead and just get it cut first. But yeah, man, pretty much, bro, this cut was fire. It was simple, you know what I'm saying? We used no enhancements. We used no dyes. The only thing I might have used was a little bit of the pencil. Y'all seen the instant replay? Yeah, that's dope, bro. But yeah, all I'm doing is just demonstrating on how to maneuver around the ear while lining up the hair, okay? So take your time, build patience, and I guarantee you get the haircut or the success that you want in life. Like, all I'm doing with this technique is just gently propping the hair. Oh, my bad. Gently propping the ear down and just making a little arc around the ear. I call it like a baby C or something. See what I'm saying? Like, gently do everything gracefully, peacefully. You know what I'm saying? Moving like that. Look how sharp these lines came out, because I made sure that my last step was completely prepared for the next step. Now, this side, I'm just showing y'all a one-handed demonstration on how to also do this technique too. Properly take your index finger, push the ear down, and work your way down on that lineup. So, I'm doing the lineup first because I'm moving pretty fast and the service he booked, I'm on a time schedule. So, I recommend this technique if you're in the same situation as me, like moving fast. This right here will help you build structure and show you properly where to put that fade. You know what I'm saying? So you can go ball, you can go shadow, or, you know what I'm saying, different techniques. And once you get to those vertical bars, bro, just make sure that you comb down and out. You want all those little straggly hairs out. You don't want them to go home and wash their hair and they look like they don't have a haircut. Then now they complaining about your work. You know what I'm saying? But make sure you comb out everything. Gently pressing and pulling away from the hairline. And I'm making sure I'm staying even with his eyebrow. And then I'm just give y'all a quick little hook tutorial. I know people call them C-cup, but I like calling them hooks. So put my own mark on it, you know. And right here, just take time and patience. Draw like you're using a pencil. Draw until you get the shape that you want. Now this part gonna be sped up because I'm showing y'all like the whole process, and it's gonna take a little longer. if I would have did it on normal time. So just pay attention to how I'm using the edge of my blade. That's gonna help get that line up really, really crispy. The edges of your blade will always and should always be the sharpest part of your blade. Peep how I slightly chipped his beard too, bro. I was like, dang, I didn't even know I did that. But good thing that he gets his beard tapered. So it was kind of like an early step without even trying, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah. I'm just showing y'all that I'm using the edge of my blade. Just using the corners, and also whenever I put the guard on there, I'm gonna show y'all how I'm using just the teeth. You know what I'm saying? Just 3 teeth on the blade, 3 or 4 max, to help keep that shape and that contrast of that fade. There you go. Just using my corner of the blade. Right now I'm kind of digging into it, but now look, there you go. Just your corner, bro. I'm not pressing the whole blade on his skin. I'm pushing it at an angle here. Now I got it open. Just going. It's just like shear work, bro. Just fine hand detailing. Even if you have to go in with shear, you can. Look how it's coming together, bro. That's fire. See? Just those 3. Alright, so this technique right here is what I like to call padding. So it's when you take the pencil, use it really, really light, okay? Or however much you want, but take it and outline your lineup after you've lined it up naturally, okay? And cut the hair right naturally first, then outline it. So padding, you have to work a little harder to stretch out that however much you use on the pencil, or you know what I'm saying? So look how it makes it look much better. You know what I'm saying? So come back with your razor. Blend out that white ash as much as you can. And look, that look fire, bro. Look how fire that look, bro. And it really shows everywhere you lined up if you do it correctly, bro. Most of the time, barbers need to just take their time and cut the hair right first, then use enhancements, bro. It'll come out right every time. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and get started with fading the beard. It's a simple process, bro. Like I said, I'm only using 1 guard. I might go with a bigger guard on here because it's his beard, but I'm not sure. So far, that's a 1.5 and a 1. Simple process, same things you already know, open and close until you get the look you want, and that's a 2 right there, because I'm knocking most of that bulk down, but I'm making sure I'm not going down too low, because I don't want to create another line to cut off too much of his beard. And I'm slightly using those corners around the edge when I'm going to line up, and I need that to be as uniform as possible because I want the sharpest line. And I'm going to go back, touch it up, even though I lined it up already. And then once I finish this, I'm going to just come back and pad. Do it all over again. Same process, repetition, until it looks better, until it gets better. And with my beard process, how I get a sharp line up, I line it up, hit it with the razor, brush it away, and I have to see what it looks like without the ash line. If it's broad enough, I'll leave it alone. But if it's not to my satisfaction, I gotta keep going. I gotta keep, you know what I'm saying? I gotta keep razor line. I gotta keep hitting it with the trimmer, you know what I'm saying? So it depends on how much detail you want to put into your work. But that's my process. Line up, brush away, repeat. Make sure that y'all pulling the skin with your thumb or whatever finger you're using to lay on the skin. So make sure y'all stretching that skin out. You don't want to cut them. You don't want to nick them. Nothing, bro. It's going to be ugly. Try to show y'all a better view. There we go. There we go. Stretch the skin out. See what I'm saying? My thumb is putting the skin closer to his eye. Sometimes you don't even have to move the blade. And then all we doing is just gliding. We're not pushing in. We're not putting pressure on his face. Because then that could cause the blade to skip too. And then now we got a little blood. You know what I'm saying? We don't want that. You got a messed up haircut and a scar on the face now, you know? Follow whatever shape you want. Some people do a deep C. Some people do a straight line, bro. Look how fire that look. Look how it fits his face. Now that's my brush away. And I like how it look. So I'm cool. But to me, in this video, yeah, I knew it. I knew I was going back for more. I'm perfectionist, y'all. I'm sorry. Oh yeah, bro. Love y'all craft, man. I pray that y'all want to learn everything. Like I said, man, I always try to give a positive message out. I pray that y'all want to learn everything y'all can about y'all craft. And I pray that I can help y'all along y'all barber journey. This video was dope, bro. I had fun. I'm definitely gonna be dropping more consistently. I've been seeing the feedback. I've been seeing everything. So I definitely want to drop more. So I definitely will be seeing more of me. So just keep subscribing, bro. I already want to thank y'all for all the support already. Follow my Instagram if you have. If you have Instagram, you want to see more content. I'm trying to get more consistent on that too. It just comes like trying to find a routine and working with my actual barber schedule. So yeah. But yeah, thank y'all again. Until next time. But before I go, hit that subscribe button, like, comment. Fadegode, bro. I'm out.